What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review and unboxing of the Logitech 4K Pro webcam. Okay, now this camera is made by Logitech, obviously, and I got it at Best Buy, my local Best Buy, for $159. All right, now plus tax, it came to like $179, $180, something like that. It shoots in 4K Ultra HD video, premium quality sensor with Right Light 3 technology, intelligent facial recognition, built-in dual omnidirectional microphones with noise cancellation. Now there's an app that you can, a program that you download on the Logitech website, and it's called Chroma Cam, and it has background replacement. You have a 90-degree wide field of view. You got ultra compact design and USB 3.0 interface, and the Windows system requirements is Windows 10 or 8.1, Windows 7, and you need a 2.4 gigahertz Intel Core 2 Duo processor, 2 gigabytes or more of RAM, USB 2.0 or USB 3.0 ready, hard drive space for recording videos, and an internet connection. Now you need the same thing basically for Mac system requirements, but the only thing is, of course, is you're running Mac, so you need Mac OS 10 or 10.10 or higher to run it. Now same thing with the processors and RAM and USB 2.0, 3.0. Now it has an integrated microphone. It takes 13 megapixel pictures up to 90 FPS. Plug and play device, which means you don't have to download any drivers. All you do is plug it in. Has an image resolution of 3840 by 2160. Video resolution of 4096 by 2160. This also has autofocus and high definition. Get your directions. Now it comes already mounted on this mount, which is the mount that the camera goes on here, and then you just connect it to your PC or your screen or whatever, and then you get this thing right here, which is a it is a privacy shield. Now I already have it on a tripod right now, and you also get a USB Type-C and a regular USB connection. So that connects to the back of the camera, which connects right here to the back of the camera, your USB Type-C connection, and then into your USB Type-C connection on your computer, laptop, or whatever else, or USB, regular USB. Now it's just like a regular tripod. You just take it off the mount, just like that. And also, I forgot, it comes with this Logitech bag, which is a nice little carrying bag you can carry. Now this is what the camera looks like. You see I got little fingerprint smudges and stuff on there like that. Now there's not much to it. You got the lens, you got Logitech branding, you got whatever these do right here. They might be like your wide angle and all that stuff. You got 2 speaker microphones right here to pick up your quality, and you have your tripod mount right here. Now this is a privacy shield, so you just put it on there, click it on there just like that, and then it clicks over like that, and it's a privacy shield. I think it actually goes that way, and it clicks over just like that. So it's a privacy shield, but just a little note that it only makes your video private. So even if you use this to cover up the camera, you can still hear audio. So I mean, the ultimate way to do it would be just to disconnect your camera completely, just to unplug it from the source, and then you wouldn't have to worry about anybody intruding on your privacy. There's 2 different ways that you can use it. Well, actually, there's 3. You can mount it on top of your laptop, just like that. You could have it sitting just like that on the provided mount, or you can leave it on a tripod mount just like this. What you need to do is you plug this in to the back of your camera, and then you plug this in other end into your laptop or your computer or your Mac or whatever you're using. But you have to download software. So go to Logitech.com, and then you'll have to download the software to. There's two different softwares that you need to download. One is the Logitech camera program, which it just allows you to go inside of the program and to change things with the camera. And the second one is the Chroma Cam program that you download, and that's for green screen. It's supposed to delete your background so you can have it shooting whatever, and it removes your background. Those are two things that you'll need to download, but I'll put the link in the description along with the link to buy one of these if you want to actually buy one. Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. Now, what I'm recording off of right now is my actual laptop camera. So this is the built-in factory camera, and this is what it looks like. But as you can see, it's kind of blown out, fuzzy looking, not really good. The lighting in here, I got a big light right here. You can probably see it over my head. So I got a light right here. The headlight is out. I don't have no lamps on. It's not really bright. I do have a blind open over here. The back window back there, the blind is closed, as you can see. But I mean, the lighting isn't great, but it's not really that good a look. You know what I mean? So it don't really look well. But now I'm going to switch into the Logitech 4K Pro webcam and show you the difference between 4K webcam and your laptop webcam. Hey, what up, YouTube? Now this is me recording off the Logitech 4K Pro webcam. Total difference. A lot clearer. Even the lighting, I didn't change anything with the lighting. The lighting is the same as it was with the regular camera. Same thing. A lot brighter, like around, like the field of view is crazy. Like you can see so much wider. Like the tigers that you see on the wall, you can actually see them. They're a lot more clear. The pictures over there, you can see all this stuff. So everything is much more clear. Like the quality of this 4K webcam is amazing. Now I'm going to show you through the Logitech settings how you can go into the program that you can download through Logitech.com and how you can change the settings. All right, so this right here is your plus zoom. This is your minus zoom. So if you plus zoom it, then you see how your face is bigger in there. Now once you do that, you activate these 5 keys right here in the middle. Now this is a pan, so it pans up, you can pan down, you can pan left, and you can pan right. Alright, so when you do that, you see how everything changes. Then this home button right here, it like centers everything again, alright, to where it was. So I like it where it was panned a little bit like that. Alright, so that's what these buttons do. Now you have where you can change the image from standard to widescreen. You see, and it changed right there, so you can change the image from standard to widescreen. And then you have HDR that you can turn on and off, and it changes the setting. It kind of makes it brighter, kind of like overexposed, kind of when HDR is on. You got anti-flicker, so you can change from NTSC 60 Hertz to PAL 50 Hertz. Then you got the field of view setting. So right now it's at 90 degrees field of view, but then you can turn it to 78 degrees field of view, and then you can turn it to 65 degrees field of view. But we'll keep that on 90. Now you can also go into advanced settings. So if you go into the advanced settings, then you can change the brightness. Now everything is set at 50% right now. So if I go to brightness and I turn the brightness all the way up, that's what you get. If I turn the brightness all the way down, that's what you get. I turn it back to 50%. And also with the contrast, you change the contrast up and turn it down. Put it back at 50%. Color intensity, turn it up, bring it down. Alright, back to 50%. And then auto white balance. So the box is clicked, so it's already at 400K auto white balance, but if you uncheck it,
You see it changes the white balance. I'm gonna keep it on auto because I kind of feel like they know what they're doing. Then you can do autofocus. So that's a box also, so you can check it or uncheck it. Now it was just checked. So now I can manually focus. You see it blurs out right there. You know what I mean? So I could put it on a specific spot on the screen that I want to focus on. So I put it like that. But then I want to focus right here. You just click where you want to focus. But I'm going to keep that on auto as well because they know what they're doing. You know what I mean? But this is just the settings, like I said, for the camera. All right, so all in all, I would have to say that I do like the Logitech 4K Pro webcam. It shoots beautiful video, 4K display, easy to set up, easy to work with. Settings are really just boom, boom, boom. The plug and play option, or the plug and play setting that they have where you just plug it in and go. I mean, that's a plus, obviously. So no drivers to download. The programs that you download make it really easy just to set it up. The fact that you can put it on a tripod makes this thing 10 times better. So now you're not stuck with the Logitech tripod that they usually come with a little stand that it comes with. You're not stuck with that. So you have a couple different options if you want to use that. Now, like I said, price wise, it's not a bad camera. It's not going to break the bank. I would say it could replace the typical camera, say if you wanted to just use it as like a review camera. But it's DO aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links. You can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.